English quantifiers. Understanding many and few. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're going to tackle a significant part of English grammar, quantifiers, specifically many and few. These words are important tools that help us talk about quantity, but we have to be careful about how we use them because they are typically used with countable nouns. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Quantifiers are words or phrases that we use before nouns to give more information about the quantity or amount. Some examples of quantifiers are many, few, a lot of, some, any, etc. Today, we'll focus on many and few. We often use these quantifiers with countable nouns. Nouns that we can count like books, apples, or dogs. The word many is used to indicate a large number or a high quantity. We use many with countable nouns. For example, you could say, many people attended the concert. Or, many books are on the table. But remember, many is often used in negative sentences and questions, rather than affirmative sentences. So you would more likely say, there aren't many apples left. Or, do you have many friends? On the other side of the spectrum, we have few. Few indicates a small number or a low quantity. Like, many, few, is used with countable nouns. For instance, I have few friends in this city. Or, there are few tickets left for the show. Few suggests that the amount is less than expected or desired, which can sometimes give it a slightly negative connotation. For instance, if we say, I have few friends, it might imply that we wish we had more friends. Now, let's see these quantifiers in a wider context. You can use many and few in a sentence together to demonstrate contrast. For example, there are many stars visible in the sky, but few are as bright as the North Star. Here, many and few work together to compare the quantity of all visible stars to the North Star. And that's a wrap on our lesson today on using many and few with countable nouns. I hope this helps clarify when and how to use these quantifiers correctly. Practice makes perfect, so try using many and few in your own sentences. Remember, many for a large number, few for a small number, and both are used with countable nouns. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy learning!